Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à French Learner Group. Je m'appelle Poonam, votre enseignante de la langue française, et dans cette vidéo, on va apprendre la prononciation des alphabets. Hello everyone, welcome to the French Learner Group. My name is Poonam, your French language instructor, and in this video, we are going to learn the pronunciation of alphabets in French. In French, we have same 26 alphabets as we have in English. But the pronunciation of French alphabets are different from English alphabets. So, let's start. We write A in French same as it is in English, but the pronunciation is A. A. We have to open our mouth little big. A. In English, we say A, and in French, we say A. For example, abeille means honeybee. In English, we say bee, but in French, we say baie. Baie. For example, baie means berry. In English, we say C, but in French, we pronounce say. Say. Repeat after me. Say. For example, Cerise means cherries. In English, we say D, and in French, we say they. They. Remember, in French, the sound is not exist. So, the become the. So, D sound will be they. They. For example, they means Neige. In English, we say E, and in French, we say E. E. For example, je means game. In English, we say F, and in French also we say F. For example, fraise means strawberry. In English, we say G, and in French, we pronounce J. J. Always remember, whenever you see one dot under the alphabet of Hindi in my video, the pronunciation of that alphabet will be J. J. For example, Jean means people. In English, we say H, and in French, we say H. H. For example, H means X. In English, we say I, and in French, we say E. E. For example, île means iceland. In English, we say J, and in French, we say Z. Z. For example, jupe means skirt. In English, we say K, and in French, we say K. K. For example, karting. Same as it is in English, karting means karting. In English, we say L, and in French also we say L. Same as in English, L. L. For example, lunette means spectacles. In English, we say M, and in French also we say M. M. For example, mère means mother. In English, we say N, and in French also we say N. N. For example, neige means snow. In English, we say O, and in French also we say O. O. For example, Orange means orange. In English we say P, but in French we say paix. Paix. For example, père means father. In English we say Q. In French also we say Q. Q. For example, que means line or queue. In English we say R, and in French we say R. R. For example, robe means frock or dress. In English we say S, and in French also we say S. S. For example, seau means bucket. In English we say T, and in French we say te. Te. Remember, t sound is not exist in French, so t become t. So we pronounce T as te in French. For example, te means tea. In English we say you, and in French we say you. You. For example, une means one. In English we say we, and in French we say ve. Ve. For example, vache means cow. In English we say W, and in French we say W. W. For example, wagon means freight car. In English we say X, and in French we say X. X. For example, xylophone means xylophone. In English we say Y, and in French we say Y. Y. For example, yo-yo means yo-yo. In English we say Z, and in French we say Z. Z. For example, zebra means zebra. Now let's have a quick recap of all alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, Z, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.